Okay, guys. Um, After I got done putting um, the driveways and parking lots up there, and my distribution center, and they have 3 garages, and I said, oh, I should put some trucks there against the garages. So I printed these out today, and they're box trucks. So all I got to do is I'm letting them dry. The the boxes come off. They slide in there, and I'm going to paint them. And I don't know if I'm going to put decals on them or not. I'm not sure yet. But these are the box trucks. We turn around this way. And right there are the smokestacks. You can see them. And there's details on the back of the cab. And there's seats in there. And that's the front grills and stuff, so I gotta paint them. And paint the wheels black and put silver in the middle, stuff like that. So it's going to take a little while to paint them all, but those are it. So I'll be back later with them painted, and then we'll put them up on the layout. We'll see how they look. So we'll be back in another while. Okay, guys, I'm back, all painted, and that's what they look like. I painted them brown and made the backs white, and I painted the wheels black, painted that tank chrome, and then the other tank black, and they're the same on all 3. And then in the front, painted the grills chrome, and then lights, I put some bulbs in there. They're drying now. And on the back, turn them around, hard to see, but there's red lights on the back. Once they dry, they'll stick out a little better. But that's it. So I'm going to put them up on a layout now, and we'll park them in their spots, and then I'll be back for the final destination. See you in a little bit. Okay, we're up on the 3rd level here, and that's the distribution building I built with my 3D printer. And there's the 3 trucks that I just got done, and they're parked in the bays now, and they're all ready to be unloaded or loaded. And you can see the windows have Venetian blinds in there, and I'm gonna have to get some workers to put around here and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do some more details with some people and stuff like that. I gotta print some out and then paint them up and put them up on the layout here, even for that office building there and stuff like that. So that's it. And anybody want any of these trucks, let me know. I'll be glad to print 1 or 2 for you, and we'll go from there. So 3D printer's working really good, and still working on the other one. And that building there, I'm going to see about making a garage door for that, and see if I can get that working, and put some vehicles there too. So we'll see what goes on. But that's it for today, and we'll all see you in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.